El Paso has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dona Ana County in south-central New Mexico, northwestern El Paso County in western Texas, until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 9:21 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles southwest of Santa Teresa, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm will likely pass west of El Paso, but the wind and dust it produces will move into west and central El Paso. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and thick blowing dust. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Thick blowing dust will severely drop visibilities. Travel along I-10 in West El Paso and southern Dona Ana County will be difficult and dangerous due to buffeting winds and poor visibility. Locations impacted include West El Paso, Central El Paso, Santa Teresa, Anthony, Vado, Sunland Park, Afton, Canutillo, Perino, Anthony Gap, Westway, Vinton, Mesquite, Chamberino, San Miguel, Louisiana Union, La Mesa, Union Pacific Intermodal Terminal, Afton Generating Plant, and High Valley. This includes Interstate 10 in New Mexico between mile markers 148 and 164. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover.